Part 7 of Another Day Out blanket uses twisted stitches, and you twist 2 stitches at a time, so it's a little bit like cable work, but you don't take the stitches off the needle, but then you still create almost like a cable pattern, a raised pattern. So I'm just going to show you how to do the twist to right and the twist to left. Both of these twisted stitches are within the pattern itself to create this lovely diamond effect. So I'm on row 10 and the pattern says to knit 3 before I'm going to twist to right. So if you look at the abbreviations, twist to right, it says to knit into the front of the second stitch on left hand needle. So go to the second stitch and you're going to try and pretend that that top stitch isn't there. So ignore that and pop your needle into the front of the second stitch, and then you're going to knit the stitch, bring the yarn through to the front, but you're not going to take the stitch off the needle, you're just going to leave it there. And now you're going to knit into the top stitch as normal, and then when you knit that stitch you can take them both off together. So you've kind of worked a 2-stitch cable there, but you haven't used a cable needle to take the stitches off the needle. So we're going to knit 3 again, and then we're going to do another twist to right. So into the front of the second stitch on the needle and just knit it, but don't take it off, and then into the top stitch and then take them off together. Okay, so then we'll do one more of those. Knit 3 and then twist to right into the front of the second stitch and then into the top stitch, take them both off the needle, and then it's knit 2, and then we get to the twist to left. So this is a little bit different. It says to knit into the back of the second stitch on the left hand needle. So we're going to go in from the back. It's a little bit easier, this one. Ignore the top stitch, knit the stitch, but don't take it off the needle, and then knit into the front of the top stitch, and then you can just slide them both off together, and that twists the stitch and it leans to the left. And then we knit 3 and then we're going to do that again into the second stitch on the left hand needle, into the back, knit the stitch but don't take it off, knit into the front of the top stitch and then take them both off. Knit 3, and we'll just do that last one into the back of the stitch and knit the stitch, don't take it off. You might need to use like your thumb just to separate the stitches out. Knit the top stitch and take them both off, and then knit those last 3 stitches. And that's how you do the twisted stitches. And then the chart, there's a chart as well, so you can either follow the chart or you can read the pattern, and what you will do is you will create this lovely diamond effect. And just be careful on the purl rows, because they're not all purl rows, some of them have this lovely garter stitch pattern in them as well. So there you go, that's how you are going to create this lovely diamond raised effect with those twisted stitches.